slow. I call your phone, let's go. I keep my cup filled with stuff that won't let feelings show. You a teaser, teaser, teaser. I don't need you, need you, need you. You a teaser, teaser, teaser. I don't want your love. I don't. Oh. To be or not to be, not. Hold up, bring the beat back. Stop, I ain't ready yet. Wait.
Hey guys, it's your girl GlamNefercent here, back at it again with the back at it again. And today we are doing a 5-month review on this beautiful Mink Straight hair by MelaninDoll hair. Okay, I got this hair back in January for my birthday, and I'm in love, guys. Like, honestly, I'm not a straight hair type of girl, but this hair is amazing. It's so flexible. You can get any type of style with it. Just look how beautiful, guys. Just look at this. Okay, and this is a closure. Okay, my girl Khadija made this. She is on Instagram, guys, so definitely hit her up. She does amazing wigs. So yes, guys, this is the Mink Straight. My initial review is in the description box. Click that video so you can see, you know, what I thought about it when I first got it and how it looked. And it looks exactly the same. There is absolutely no shedding. It's still thick and amazing. Just look at it. Like, I recently just washed this and flat ironed it like a few days ago, so it's like still intact. I didn't put anything on it, no oil, no nothing, and it's still great. Okay, look at that. It's just amazing. So I did order 4 bundles, 118, 120, and 222s, and an 18-inch closure. And yeah, I'm glad I did, guys. I really love it. As you guys can see, it's really long. Like, it's super long, it's flowy, and I just freaking love it. I would definitely suggest you get this if you are gonna get it, because the good thing about it is it has a wave to it. So when you wash it, it turns to like a nice light body wave, a little better than body wave actually. So if you want, you can actually wear it like that. It curls beautifully. Okay, it has so many pros about this hair. It curls beautifully. It doesn't shed. It's easy to brush. It doesn't tangle in the back. Durable. It can be curled, straightened with little effort. It holds its curls for days. Here I did buy with my own money. It's not sponsored, so yeah, this is my honest opinion. Even if it wasn't, it will always be my honest opinion. And just look how beautiful this hair is. Like, so amazing. So again, this is the Mink Straight. They got like a thicker and fuller Mink Straight. So if you was to get the Mink Straight now, it'll be different from this, a little bit thicker, and they said more fuller. So that's good on your part. You probably won't have to buy so many bundles. So definitely try it out, okay, guys? I love MelaninDoll hair, and I definitely will have more videos coming for you guys with MelaninDoll. Definitely check it out. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, are you guys gonna try it? So on and so forth. Definitely don't forget to watch all my MelaninDoll hair videos. I'll leave the links in the description box. Check that out, okay? Hit to comment, like, and subscribe, okay? GlamNefercent signing out. Love you guys. You